Welcome to another HEMA Explorer app lesson by Untitled. In today's lesson, you will learn how to hide and display routes on the main map. In the HEMA Explorer app, you have the ability to choose which routes are displayed on the main map. This is helpful if you want to declutter your map and ensure you don't start following an undesired route. In addition to hiding or displaying routes from the main map, you should also watch our video on how to change the active route color. At Untitled, we have a system where the active route we are following for the day is turned to magenta, while all non-active routes are hidden. This will ensure the intended or active route is always followed and there is no confusion when routes are overlapping. To hide a route from the map, simply tap on the route line you wish to hide. You will see the route dialog box appear. Click the orange information icon on the right-hand side to reveal the route setting page. Where it says visible on main map, you need to press that orange toggle button to off. This will hide that particular route from the main map. It is not deleted, it's only hidden. To display previously hidden routes, simply tap the three lines top left of the screen. If you are the one that created the route you wish to display on the main map, go on to the Routes or Tracks option. If you have been sent the route, it will be in the Folders section. Once you have located the route you wish to display, tap on that route and turn on the Visible on Main Map toggle button on the top right-hand corner. You will then be able to see the route on the main map. Thank you for watching, guys. If you found this video helpful and would like to learn more from us, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel.